Hi Eva,
Hi, Eva.
I am in the beach in Yeosu, and this beach is very near from my grandparents' house, and it only took us 10 minutes to get here, and the view is very beautiful. But it's suddenly raining, so I am in umbrella, and we can catch some fish like that person. And bye bye.
Hi.
Oh wait, I will eat chicken right now. Bye bye.
Hi Eva, I'm today in Yeosu Sea, and the view is so nice, isn't it? And today I'm in the sea, but today is rainy day too. So I'm gonna have some beautiful shells to pick. So I need to go now. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Sister, now we have to eat chicken.
Yes, chicken.